Creating the ideal set of circumstances for a surface polish on any project brings with it its challenges. On residential projects, it's no different. Choice of materials, the placement of the concrete, and the finishing techniques adopted all influence the outcome of the project. The surface texture on the project that we're working on today is borderline. It's not quite smooth enough for a 400 Aqua Zero, so we're going to start with a 200 Aqua Zero. The reason why we're choosing to do this is essentially to try and save the 400 Aqua Zero from wearing too fast. It is imperative to ensure that the surfaces are all cleaned properly. Making sure that they're clean will reduce the chances of grit getting under the machine and scratching the floor. Unlike when we're doing an exposed aggregate finish, there is absolutely nowhere to hide any type of mistakes that we make. Today we're going to be starting with 200 Aqua Zeros. We're going to be running them wet. Water settings are paramount both to the wear of the tool and of the performance. We're using water directly into the back of the machine today off mains water supply. It's important that the water goes directly into the machine and underneath, not sitting on the floor in front. A good skirt seal on the floor will ensure that you have good water pressure under the machine. Keeping the water under the machine means that it's not going to get instantly pushed out by the tool. Forcing the water under the tool, keeping it cooler and cleaning out the slurry. It's going to remove all of the texture from the surface, making it ready for the 400 Aqua Zeros. Remember, this is going to reduce the wear on the 400s. After we've done the 400s, we're going to give the floor a good clean and a scrub and make sure that we removed all of the slurry before we add lithium densifier. After the lithium densifier has dried, we're going to polish the floor using a 100 universal. We will then add another application of lithium boost, followed by the 200 universals. After the 200s are finished, we're going to follow up with the 800 tempo, followed by a coat of defend and a burnish.